Hello, good day everyone, and you here with Yashin from Modena OneSolve. And the feature I'm going to be showcasing you how to use today is one of Inventor's most powerful tools, and that will be the sweep command. So for the sweep, there's a couple elements that you'll need. That will be a sketch profile defining your path to sweep along, as well as a closed profile that you'd like to sweep, and ideally this closed profile should be sketched perpendicular to your path. Okay, so now that we've got those elements out the way, I'm just going to turn this plane off and we can start our sweep function. This can be simply grabbed from your ribbon. Once you start the sweep, there's only two definitions that will have to be made. You will have to choose a profile. Now in this case we only have one available profile, so that has automatically been selected. The next thing you'll have to choose is simply your path. And voila, we have our sweep. Very simple tool to use and very quick and easy. Once I'm done with that, I can simply select OK, and I'll do one more example. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to start a new sketch on my part itself. So in this case, I actually don't have a sketched path to sweep along, so I'm going to use the edges of the sweep I've just created. And I'm just going to grab a circle and make that 10 millimeters in diameter, exit my sketch, and run my sweep command once more. When I run a sweep, once again the closed profile is automatically selected, and I have to select a curve or edge to determine the path. Now in this case I haven't created or sketched the path itself, but no worries, all I have to do is simply select the edges of my model to finish off that sweep. So in a couple clicks that is done, and I can select OK, and then we have our 3D solid lip profile that has been created along this half pipe. Okay, so over and above that, the sweep can be used to remove material. So for instance, I'd like to remove material on the edge of this pipe all throughout its profile, and how that can be done, exactly the same steps. Create a sketch perpendicular to the path that I'd like to sweep along, and I'll draw another circle with a diameter of 10. Exit my sketch and start the sweep command once again. Once the sweep command is selected, we have our profile. All we have to do is select our edges. Once our edges are selected, you can see in my preview it's actually adding material, and I can simply change this by toggling on the cut function in the property dialog box right at the bottom, the output. Instead of using join, I'll use cut and select OK, and there you go. There is your cut lip profile that's been cut all the way along the pipe or half pipe. So the sweep command is really simple and easy to use. Thank you for joining us today.